Today we're going to give you a sneak peek into Golioth's Bluetooth to cloud capabilities by showing you some real, my hands are in here, real hardware talking up to the cloud over a gateway. So first off, we have an NRF52 Feather from Adafruit that's talking to a BME 280. That is a clickboard from Microelectronica talking over I2C, and this is using Zephyr to talk to the sensor. Then it's using Golioth's new pouch capability to send Bluetooth packets over to the gateway. The gateway is then sending them up to the cloud, represented by a sticker. This is a new capability that we've been working on that, like I said, I wanted to show you here today. This is actually a private access that you can still sign up for. And so if you wanted to sign up for it, we have a blog link here. You'll be able to see this attached to this video and the blog post that's going with it. So you can click over here, sign up for the early access, and we are starting to let people in now as well. So let's dive right into it and see how this is working. So this is supposed to be over here. So on the right side here, we have the board doing taking readings every second. And so you can see it's just reading the BME 280 over and over and over again. That's going between here. And then every 20 seconds, it's then sending it up over to the gateway, and then the gateway is sending it up to the cloud. You can see some of the stuff here. Now what I should say is this is all not only an early access program, this is a quickly changing program. The number of things that I see changing on a day-to-day basis is really great. And so, anything you see here, take it with a grain of salt. There may still be future changes, but I wanted to show it working here. So now right side, the data is flowing up. The left side, it's going to be sending up to the cloud through the cellular modem. This is a NRF9160 running the Golioth SDK. This is the Bluetooth modem that's actually receiving packets from here. So this little antenna into this NRF52840, talking to the NRF9160, talking to the cloud. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the cloud now. Here. So this is the Golioth console, if you've never seen this before. And we see that we have, this has been connecting, it's been regularly connecting here. We can, if the project is enabled on Golioth, you'll see this networks tab, and we see these two devices talking to each other. You can kind of see the difference in connectivity here. Now this is a second device that I actually don't have connected, but because we often see sleepy devices, things that might not connect for hours, days, weeks at a time, we're actually going to continue to show those connected there, because with Bluetooth, it's realistic that you'll see things connected much, much later. So we're still going to have that visualization there. And this one hasn't actually connected for about 3 days. Yeah, 3 days actually. So let's go dive into the one that is connecting and is sending. So first off, if you look at the device and kind of like how this flows up to the cloud, we're flowing up from Bluetooth to gateway to cloud, but once it gets to the cloud, it actually first goes into our pipelines. And so pipelines allows you to define where you want that data to go. In this case, it's JSON data coming up. So I say anything coming on any path, any kind of JSON data, I'm gonna go take that and direct it to our LightDB Stream internal time series database product. But you can see there's a range of other things that we could actually send it to here. Right now, I just wanna be able to see it for this specific device. Okay, so now we see the usage. We see I've been sending data for a couple days now, which is very exciting. And then I can go into LightDB Stream. I could turn on live logging here, and then I can correlate it with this data here. And when we see a new well, it's every 20 seconds, so we'll have to wait a couple seconds here. But as we send up a new pouch, then we'll have that go through the gateway and then up to the cloud, and we should see a new piece of data come through here. So I just expanded that so you can see, yep, that one just came through, that 11:19:33. That one just came through. We'll see another one in about 20 seconds from now. And so we are live logging temperature, pressure, and humidity data from the BME 280 up to the cloud, and we're ready to push other things in there. There we go, there's another packet. In terms of what this code looks like, it looks like this is our new SDK and samples that are in here. Again, this is all subject to change. I'm really just taking a reading off of the weather sensor, doing this in a thread, doing that every second. And so the device is reading that code, or sorry, it's reading the temperature, pressure, and humidity data every second. And then once every 20 seconds, then we go and we send it over to Golioth. And that's using Pouch here as well. So Pouch is our new capability that allows you to actually package up a piece of data, send it through a gateway, and then the Golioth Cloud actually knows how to unwrap that data and put it into the correct device record. That's actually what you saw there on camera. So if you have any questions about that, if you want to try this out, you can go and check out our private access demo. We'd love to have you as part of it. We're talking to lots of different people, lots of different applications. I'm actually building my own new hardware here. So there's a little AirTag demo that I've been publishing about. There's a link to that in the blog post as well. And we're going to show you how to build this, some very, very small hardware. So how to build the hardware, how to build the firmware, and how to connect you to the cloud through a gateway. That's an ongoing series that's going to be happening here at Golioth. And so if you're interested in that, please go sign up as well. That's all for now for this demo. Really excited to show you more early access Bluetooth and pouch capabilities going up to the Golioth cloud. If you have any questions, let us know in our forum or in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.